the 5G! So, ngayong araw ay mag-assemble tayo, guys. Tapos is tuturuan natin si Grayson mag-read ng ABCD. So, tara! I-assemble na natin. P. Okay, find the P. Good job.
I found it first. Mama, I found 3 pieces of W's. Never mind. But where do we put the H?
So, after P, what is next? Q. Q.
Mom, we forgot this one.
Can you get all under your butt, Gail? Where's Q, Gail?
I don't.
That one.
This one. This one.
See. And this one, the other side. Gail, Q.
I don't.
Here.
And then.
And then,
Let's put
no, S, Gail.
S.
It's there.
What there?
I give you already Q. That one, oh. Okay, what's next? That one there. Good job.
And then W. S and O.
So what's next there?
Down there.
No, the other one. Good job.
Put it there.
Yes.
So this one.
Next there, the Z there.
Z.
Mm-hmm.
I think Z is before.
Here,
C
it's
is
the last.
last.
Yahoo! Almost done.
Mom, we need all.
Okay, Gail.
I'm doing all of this.
Come on.
I'm doing all of this.
Come on.
I'm doing all of this. So, what's V? What's V?
This one there.
V.
Good job. W. Good job.
And then, what? You want a shell?
Come on.
Okay.
No, the other one. No, opposite. Turn around. Good job.
And I put 2 of these in my room.
Good job.
Can we put 2 of these in my room?
Yay!